Hello and welcome to this preliminary demo of benefits of CBOS for warehouse and distribution teams. This is one in a series of demos where we cover the benefits of CBOS for your different business units. In this demo, we'll cover tracking your inventory in multiple locations, managing light production or kitting of your materials, your pick, pack, and ship processing, and finally your put away process. One of the daily tasks for any warehouse manager or team member is not only to manage the amount of product on hand, but also the location of those items. With CBOS, each product has a dedicated locator within your warehouse. As you receive items through materials receipts, you have the ability to change the locator that you're storing the item. This is especially critical for businesses that have busy seasons where default locations can become full and you need to store the items in a secondary location. Managing kitting or light production can be difficult to track and maintain. Within CBOS, we use our bill of materials feature to maintain the integrity of those productions. As you can see, this product for a computer is a bill of materials product, and my bill of materials that create one unit of the final good include these products that are going to be consumed in a production phase. Within the production plan, I put together how many units of the product that I would like to produce, and I simply run a process that updates the production lines from the bill of materials. So this process takes that I'm wanting to build 10 units of my computer product, and it automatically builds out my production line for me. In my production line, you can see that the computer is the final good. I'm wanting to create 10 units, and here are my 3 raw materials that will be consumed in this process. As soon as I complete the production, my inventory of my raw materials will be consumed and my inventory of my final good will be raised by 10 units. CBOS allows shipping managers to automatically prepare shipments for sales orders that have met their delivery rules, as well as has the needed inventory on hand. An example of a delivery rule would be that for one particular customer, I only ship out full orders. So I'm not going to have any partial shipments for this customer. Another example is that I allow partial shipments to another customer, but only if I can fulfill an entire line item. Within our generate shipments process, it is as easy as one click of a button to process and draft shipments. So here I'll go ahead and process my orders, my outstanding sales orders, and I can see here that I have 2 shipments that are available and drafted to be sent out. Next, I'll process a pick ticket for my warehouse team to gather the items and bring them for packaging and delivery. Processing a pick ticket is as easy as clicking one button. Here you can see I have 4 different orders that are ready to be shipped out. Each order has different quantities of items that are located at different locators within my warehouse. Once I've gathered those items, I will then go to my drafted shipments. I'll verify with each shipment that all items are there, put together the packages, and process the shipments out of the warehouse. Once I've processed the shipment out of the warehouse, my inventory is consumed and my on-hand quantity is brought down. The put away process is very similar to shipments. In order to receive the material and put away in the appropriate location, I simply process a material receipt against an open sales order. So I have an open sales order that I've sent out to my vendor that I've already put into CBOS. I simply create a new materials receipt when I receive that package from my vendor, type in the vendor's name, and create lines from that open purchase order. CBOS will automatically tell you which purchase orders you have outstanding from that vendor. You can select the appropriate sales order. You can select the appropriate purchase order, select all items that you'll be bringing in, and verify the quantity. This will update your line items within the materials receipt, verify your line items and the locator in which you'll be storing them, and simply process your materials receipt to bring in that inventory. Warehouse users can easily print out a put away ticket for each materials receipt that will tell them the items that they will be putting away and the locators in which they will be storing them. Thank you for taking the time today to view the benefits for warehouse and distribution teams. I invite you to schedule a custom demo with a product specialist. You can reach us by emailing us at solutions@cbos.com or call us via our toll-free number below.